everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about personal finance budgeting. So what does a person mean by budget? Budget basically means your income vis-a-vis expense allocation. So as everyone knows, India has an annual budget which comes out in the month of February. So similarly, every individual should also have a budget. So here I have come up with a rule which talks about 40:40:20 rule. Now what does this rule exactly mean? What does this ratio exactly pertain to? So here 40% pertains to your needs, 40% pertains towards savings, and the last 20% pertains towards your wants. So now I'll elaborate on each of these portions. Coming to your needs. So what do you mean by needs? Needs basically means any expense which can help you live a healthy lifestyle. So what can be the examples of needs? Needs could possibly be categorized into examples like grocery expenses, your household expenses, rent expenses, utility bills paying off, your basic traveling expenses that is required. It can also include your health and life insurance. Coming to the next portion, which is your next 40% towards savings. So what do you mean by savings? Every individual knows that savings is an integral part of finance. So what are the various funds that can get allocated towards savings? So the various funds could be emergency funds. So what does an individual mean by an emergency fund? Emergency funds are those funds which can help you sustain during any financial instability, during recessions, during a job loss, etc. So what is the quantum of this emergency funds? This emergency funds should have a normal quantum of around 6 to 8 months or maybe 8 to 12 months of your needs. The next fund that can get allocated under savings could be investing in income generating assets. The third could be easily encashable investments. The fourth could be retirement funds. It could also include prepaying your high interest liabilities or debts. And the last could be handy cash, liquid cash that a person should always have. The next 20% comes towards wants. So what do you mean by wants? There's a very thin line between needs and wants. Needs help you live a basic lifestyle. Wants improves that basic lifestyle, improves the quality of that lifestyle. So what can be categorized as wants could be shopping expenses, any luxury spends. It could include traveling expenses, adventure trips, treks, etc. It could also include frequent dining outs. And the last is it could include hobbies. So hobbies is a good part. It's like a thing which can add a positive attitude towards your life. So one should invest in hobbies. However, investing too much into wants could possibly lead to a minor inconvenience to your financial stability. So now I request people to sit and pen down their expenses into these various buckets and budget their personal finances. If this is helpful to you, please pass it on and share it with other people. Thank you so much for listening to me. Please like, share and subscribe.